Welcome boys. In this video we will be replacing the battery in our 2019 Jeep Grand Cherokee. This has 3.6 V6. Battery is underneath the passenger seat in the front. It's under this cover. So we need to lift this cover up by pulling it. Okay, now the battery's under here, so we are going to have to awkwardly move the seat forward and then get it out from the back. Okay. So now with that out, we have the negative terminal here, the positive terminal over yonder, and then our battery tie down here. So let's get everything holding this battery in place disconnected and then get it out of here. Okay, and we have 10 millimeters holding that on. There's also a 10 down there for the hold down. And then these two 13s for this weird secondary battery thing. I've already pulled the vent tube off. So I guess this has something to do with the auto stop start thing. I don't know. Some weird secondary battery. I don't know what it is. I just know it's in my way. So we got to get it out. Had to use a tool. We want to wrap this up so it doesn't touch anything like the battery, because it's going to be pretty close to this post until I can get the battery out. So we don't want it turning back on. Clear this lip. I don't know what this little bitch battery is for. Something auto stop, I would assume. It's related to that. Which is kind of lame, but whatevs. Alright, I ain't going to be able to show you, but I'm just going to travel deep in there to get the positive side out, and then we should be able to yank this beast out of here. Okay, I loosened the positive, so I'll just have to pop it off with my pry tool. After I get the 13 there. And okay, I think we're back after I dropped you. And that one. So we got those two 13s. That'll get the hold down that's securing the actual 12-volt battery, the big boy that starts the car. So can't film it, but those two guys gotta come off. Then the big battery hold down comes right out. I'm probably gonna get in your way, but all right. So we got those loose. So I can Get this out of the damn way. Okay, that's out. Vents out of my way. Mostly. I feel like I might be able to get the positive off from the front. Yes, much easier. I'll tell you what, only Chrysler, Jeep, whoever you want to call them, would make changing a battery so difficult. I thought the Corvette was bad, with the whole taking a panel off and the side posts and everything, but I tell you what, this one probably takes the cake. Like, you have to go out of your way to outdo GM with their side posts on the C4 Corvette, but Jeep has somehow managed to get her done. Alright, let's get her out. What a pain in the ass. This thing weighs a ton. It's going at a stupid angle. All sticky. Nasty. Should gloves. So heavy and awkward. Got it. Alright, well, that was a pain in the ass. Okay. Installation reverse of removal. I'm not filming that. You get the idea. Stick it back in, positive first. It'll hold itself down. Put the positive back on. Put this thing back on. Put that weird battery back in. Tighten this to that. Put the negative terminal on. Put the cover back over it. Bing, bang, boom, you're done. So that's it. Jeep battery replacement. Catch you in the next one. Thanks for watching, boys. Peace.